Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome to Discover Barbados History, Culture, and Beauty Unveiled. Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey through this Caribbean gem. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Under the golden glow of the Caribbean sun, James and Eliza stepped off the plane, their hearts brimming with excitement. They had always dreamed of visiting Barbados, an island known for its breathtaking beaches, vibrant culture, and fascinating history. As they inhaled the salty sea breeze and took in the palm-lined streets, they knew this trip would be unforgettable. Barbados, officially known as Barbados, is an independent island nation with a rich history and unique identity. Governed as a parliamentary democracy and a constitutional republic, the Prime Minister is the head of government, while the President is the head of state. The official language is English, making it easy for James and Eliza to communicate with the warm and friendly locals. Their first stop was Bridgetown, the vibrant capital of Barbados, where history and modernity blend effortlessly. James and Eliza wandered through the historic Garrison District, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, marveling at the well-preserved colonial architecture that whispered tales of the past. With a population of around 280,000 people, Barbados is known for its diverse and welcoming citizens. The locals, or Bajans, take great pride in their heritage, music, and traditions. James and Eliza were quickly swept into the island's lively atmosphere, enjoying the rhythmic beats of calypso and soca music that echoed through the streets. Barbados covers a land area of 430 square kilometers, or 166 square miles. Despite its small size, the island boasts stunning geography, with rolling hills, limestone caves, and pristine beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. The tropical climate makes it an ideal destination year-round. Curious about the economy, James and Eliza visited a local market, where vendors displayed their goods with pride. The currency used in Barbados is the Barbadian dollar, BBD. The country enjoys a strong economy, with a gross national income per year that supports a high standard of living for many residents. Barbados has an impressive literacy rate of nearly 99%, showcasing the importance placed on education. James and Eliza also learned that the life expectancy here is about 79 years, a testament to the country's quality healthcare and lifestyle. They spent time admiring the island's natural beauty, from the turquoise waters of Carlisle Bay to the lush landscapes of Welchman Hall Gully. The island is home to diverse wildlife, including green monkeys, hummingbirds, and sea turtles that gracefully glide through the clear waters. As their trip neared its end, they delved into the history of Barbados, learning about its journey from a British colony to gaining independence in 1966. In 2021, Barbados made history again by becoming a republic, officially removing the British monarch as its head of state and electing its first president. This move symbolized the nation's strength and desire for complete sovereignty. With their suitcases packed and their hearts full, James and Eliza reflected on the beauty of Barbados, not just in its landscapes, but in its people, culture, and spirit. As they boarded their flight home, they knew they had experienced something truly special. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your valuable comments, and share this channel with your friends, family, and followers. Subscribe to Beautyleven Canada for more amazing videos like this one. See you in the next adventure.